today. I'm a little bit shocked. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit shocked because the sun being out 2 days in a row here. I mean, this has to be some kind of record. But like I say, my fingers are always crossed because I go to training. Fingers are just crossed that the sun will still be out when I'm finished. So as I say, 1 hour and a half, 2 hour training for me, a lot of running. But here in the vlog, it goes just like, well, first, good morning. Hope you guys are having a good day. Whew. You hear the locker room. You know what that means. Training, finished for the day, and wasn't too bad. Nice little hour and a half training, only one training today, but fingers crossed the sun is still out. Salut, ça va? But girls team have training now. Us, we get to enjoy the sun today. Let's go. Allez, go. That's 2 days in a row, 2 days in a row of the sun. Oh man, I cannot complain. Oh my goodness, it is a beautiful day. So I kind of told you guys training is finished for the day. Think maybe gonna go on a little bit of a road trip today. Kind of arrived. I mean, when I say arrived, I mean I didn't have a destination for today. I planned on going west towards the coast of the Atlantic Ocean, but it's already 3 p.m. and I kind of was like, the sun's never really out here. I thought it'd be a good day to maybe stay here in Angers, which is where I am now, but I feel like I needed to see water, so this is what I found. Sun is out. Like, I think that's one thing that makes me happy. Someone asked me what makes me grumpy. Someone asked me that in the YouTube live, and I think I have an answer. I think it's when the sun is not out. I'm not grumpy, but it's just like, oh, it's just so much better with the sun. Having the sun out is just like, it's amazing. It's almost just like night and day, pun intended, but really, like, it just changes everything. Everything's so much more relaxed. Makes me in a better mood. I don't know if in the vlog sometimes you feel like I don't have the energy, but maybe you guys think I do have the energy, but trust me, when the sun is out, beautiful day, I'm by water, I have like twice the energy that I normally have. Super excited. I'm actually gonna sit here for a while and kind of relax. Not sure what's next. I guess, yeah, kind of was just driving around because it's a beautiful day and I like driving. I was like, okay, what am I gonna do next, Luke? And I was just like, it's a beautiful day. I didn't leave my city. I was looking for a cafe or somewhere to go where I could relax, and I was just like, why don't I just go home and relax? But on the way home, I was like, I've been on this plant diet, as I told you guys. Or it's not even a diet, it's just a new lifestyle change. And I was like, let me stop at McDonald's, but not get a burger this time. Instead, I just got a little McDonald's called a Very Parfait. It's like an ice cream, but just as a kind of reminder to when you guys are pushing yourself and you are doing things, don't forget to reward yourself. Not saying to eat unhealthy or anything like that, but I'm saying don't ever forget to reward yourself during the times when you're grinding. For example, you're making a lot of content for YouTube or podcasts or anything like that. Don't forget sometimes to reward yourself, and sometimes just taking a little bit of a break, you know. And I'm just kind of super tired from changing the food that I eat, to cycling a lot more, to still having the trainings. So I felt on that note I kind of deserved a little bit of an ice cream, but also on that note, gonna spin home. Okay, finally arriving home. Gonna have some sushi. Still on the plant-based diet, as I'm gonna talk about it a lot in the vlog because I think it's like really cool and interesting. But I'm still learning more about it as I'm like experimenting on my own body by going on this, or it's not a diet, it's a new lifestyle. But I still am having a little bit of sushi, gotta get some protein in me. Now that I'm at home, the sun is still out, you know, and since the sun is still out, I think I might be shutting it down for the rest of the day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know the other day I talked about something about, I usually post telling you guys don't forget to take time for you. And I think it's so important. As you guys know, I love to go out and, you know, meet people and go to other cities. For me, that's like recharging. For me, that really makes me come alive and feel great. But one thing I always listen to above almost anyone and anything else, not to sound spiritual or religious or anything, is I really listen to the inside. You know, I really listen to my energy, how I'm feeling. You know, like today I told you guys I was gonna go to the other side of France, or not other side, but just to the coast so I can see the ocean, chill, relax there, come back tomorrow, do other kind of stuff. But like deep down I was like, why don't I just sit here and chill and relax? And it's a great idea. I'm actually gonna just sit here on my balcony, relax, respond to you guys' comments. Just want to thank you guys so much, by the way. Just reading a couple from yesterday. It feels great back talking to you guys. I mean, I must say that. No, today's vlog was probably short, but like I told you guys yesterday, it's more about consistency, not about duration. So guys, remember that in the things that you guys have planned, or your workouts, or you're trying to make a videos, or whatever it is that you guys are doing. Remember, always try to choose consistency over duration. Consistency over duration, or I guess since it's reversed, consistency over duration. Always choose it like that. So on that note, I'm probably shutting it down, having me some little sushi. Then later will be pasta with a little bit of sauce, because need the carbs. Carbs are your friend. But anyways, on that note, thank you guys for watching today. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I hope you guys are having a great day. The weather's great where you guys are. If you are in Canada, as I've talked to some people there, and it's freezing cold, so sorry for that. You guys gotta come over to France, but you gotta come over this week, because next week it'll be back to, I think, cold and rainy and stuff like that. But on that note, I'm gonna enjoy the sun. Wish you guys a great day. Talk to you guys later. Leave me a comment so I can get back and talk with you guys, because I actually really love doing that. And I'll speak to you guys later. And all of you remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.